Obuya. Maurice Obuya, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Kajulu Hills Eco-Villages. Yeah, and the main program that this is my team members. These are my team members. The main challenge that we have is that I'm addressing is that we want to restore ecosystems around the lake region. This is we are living around the lake region, and as you can see around, this is an ecosystem that has already been restored, and I have around 25 acres of restored ecosystem of my own projects, and another almost 75 acres that community members who are here, you can see, are also practicing and also restoring these systems. So this is my team. These are my team members, and the innovation that we are trying to provide is advanced permaculture design course, which trains on 18 Bill Mollison principles, and we use locally available resources, and we promote native plants. So the long-term objective is to establish permanent harvesting and indigenous ecosystems or permaculture gardens. So if you can see here, we have ginger, and we also have turmeric, and we also have a lot of bananas. We have a passion here climbing here. We have arrowroots there. We have bananas over the other side, the bigger farm. And this is just the classroom. So if you just look around the classroom, you will see that we have biodiversified plants here. Many of them I cannot mention because of time. And this is where we do our trainings. So if you go around, then you will also see other beneficiaries. These are the trainings. We have trained more than 500 people, and these are the trainers, our trainers, and these are the organizations that are involved who are also practicing. And we have also run a Regenerative Luo talk show, which has reached about 3 million people who are Luo speaking and staying around the lake. And this is my certificate for eco-friendly services from the United Nations Environmental Program and FAO. And we have also run another Swahili radio talk show, which we are focusing on 300,000 refugees in Kakuma refugee camp. This was a radio program. It was called Kilimo Endelevu radio program. And we are mainly focusing on promoting restorative and regenerative agriculture among the refugees. It was done by Atanayache FM. So this is a picture that shows our meeting in Nairobi and our training. I'm here, and we had a lot of people from the United Nations Environmental Program. This is Kajulu Hills. This is a food and agriculture program. So the long-term vision is to create such type of systems, many of them within our partners and within our communities, so that the whole environment can be like this. So if you go around there, it is very dry, but this place is very cool. Yeah, this place is very cool. So let's take you back. This is what we do: advanced PDC and ecosystem restoration. And when we get these funds, we believe that you have done so much with so little, so we are going to do more and involve more people, like you see the people here and everywhere, so that we can extend these such systems in very many other places. So thank you so much, and looking forward to get the